told you the other time. I admire
You gotta be really careful.
I admire
They're
you.
selling American prosciutto.
I really admire you. You want to do something really authentic of the Italian American. And that's the best. It's a good approach, but you have to be very smart how to get people there.
Are you concerned, Umbi? It's okay, you can say it.
Half and half is even worse. You have
We call that
cheese
half-ass here in the
stuff,
United States.
and then you have some one prosciutto claim, everything is from Parma, and it's only one
Nothing,
one thing.
nothing from Italy. Nothing. It's American food made by
Americans.
Made by Americans.
God bless America.
That's great. It's a great idea.
I mean, it's gonna be a little tough.
I get the seal of approval from a guy from Parma. Feel pretty good about it.
I don't think he's giving us a seal of approval.
Yeah, he's a little shaky on it.
He's very
No, I really admire that. But I tell you, it's got to be good. It's got to be really good. It doesn't have to be the same quality as some.
It's gonna be better.
No,
gonna be better.
not a Parma, but the same quality as some shitty Bologna, whatever that.
Industrial.
Forget it. If you really get the right stuff.
So we're talking about it. We're talking about the right stuff.